Okay. Ready for the top ones? Lie back. That's it. Here we go. Open wide. Oh, get the back one? Yeah. Oh, spit. Oh. Good boy. High five.
Oh, clever boy.
Good. Sticker.
Called dinosaur.
A dinosaur. Good work.
Big T-Rex.
A big T-Rex with sharp teeth.
Yes.
Yes. Now your teeth are nice and clean, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Dinosaur.